Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Monday.com tutorial, high level and low level workflow tutorial. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now first I'll explain what the low level and high level is. The low level is basically like the first or lower activities that you could see. For example, this is the more detailed version where you could see like a specific group and then a specific task. And a high level version is where you will be able to manage an entire board. So let's set an example to do this. First, create a new board. Name it low level or whatever name you would like to have. But this is basically the option that we will be using, low level. And after we create this, you're going to have to turn this into a template. Of course, put in the necessary group name over here. Let's say project 1, something like that. Then click on the 3 dots over here in the top right, more actions, and you have the option to save as a template. Click on save as a template. There we go. Create another board, and this time it's going to be named high level because this is a high level version. And create board. And let's wait for it. There we go. Now what you're going to do is to click on the add column, click on connect boards, and simply click on select boards and select the low level that we have just chosen. Let's fix it. There we go. It's a bit hard to time it. It's not allowing us to do it properly. Let's do it again. Connect files, select board. Simply use the low level option over here, and you will be able to connect it. And it's not letting us do it right now, but that is how you will be able to do it. That is how you will be able to have a low level and high level on Money.com. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.